Hey guys, welcome to our video on how to fit your vinyl skin to the Tamiya Lunchbox. This is a real easy way to transform your body shell into what looks like a custom painted finish in around 20 minutes. So to complete your project you're going to need a few things. Firstly, a sharp knife, and then the sticker kit, which is available from www.stickerlicker.co.uk, and in this case we're using a plain black ABS shell. This really is as easy as peel and stick. I'm starting with the bottom side panel, just using the two holes that are in it to line it up just by eye. You'll notice that the stickers feel a little bit thicker than ones you may be used to, and this is because they're laminated. The good thing about this is that it makes them quite resilient, so you're able to quickly remove them and reset if necessary. When you're happy with the position of your sticker, use your thumb to smooth it down, adding a little bit of pressure. Finish off by pushing the skin into the various creases on the body shell. Pay particular attention to any curved parts, like where the wheel arches are. You can also use your nail to push into the various creases and swage lines to add a bit of extra detail if you wish. You can check for any air bubbles at this point, and if necessary you will be able to peel back the sticker and re-stick it. However, because the skin is laminated, it's relatively unlikely that air bubbles are going to be a problem. So here we have the first piece finished. We will now take the next piece and follow the exact same process. I'm going to speed things up a little bit for you soon, so you can see each piece of the skin kit go on in a shortened time. We will pause at points to note later on. So here we have one side fully completed. As you can see, the finish is awesome. Take a minute to admire your handiwork. The roof is the hardest part to fit. You will notice in this video that it's in a single piece, and to achieve the perfect fit we've had to cut it. In the finished production skin kit we've done this for you already, and the roof now comes as a 2-part sticker, so you will not need to use a craft knife. The roof is complete. You can now get a good impression of what the shell will look like with the whole kit fitted. Second side finished in around 15 minutes. Custom paint was never this fast. Now moving on to the back of the body shell. Here I'm using the light mouldings to line up the sticker, in a similar way we used the body mounting holes earlier. Your fingers and thumbs are the best tools here, there really is no need for anything else. Here we have the finished shell in all its glory, with the chrome plastics and windows added. Total time for the project is around 20 minutes. I think you will agree the finished piece is stunning. You can achieve a custom paint look at a fraction of the cost and in only a few minutes. There are many other designs available on www.stickerlicker.co.uk and more be added all the time. We also have skins for other models available. This is a great way to spruce up a tired old shell or impress your friends with a brand new build. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.